Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Rotary watch review. So let's get right onto it, shall we? So I've just turned the light off, the light that I usually use, off just for this one, just so we can see a look at the box properly. The box itself is a sort of a British Army green style box with a nice Rotary print in the top there. Very, very simple and elegant. Nice silver detailing going on to match that logo. Simple lift off lid and nothing much else inside, so it just lifts off simply like that. Inside we've got our full sort of manual guarantee, whatever this thing is called, yeah, international guarantee. Put that back in there. So here we go guys, this is the Rotary Windsor day date 37mm. The watch itself has an 8mm case diameter, so it's not a very, very thick watch. The model number is the GS05420. Let's remove this. Actually, while we're here, when I get around to remove it, I'll take this off and remove the back plastic. So look at the clasp. You've got a nice mirror finish to that clasp, thin leather black strap. Let's take that off. A nice simple window system. No, so if you wear this tight, there's no sort of metal rings in here, so this will stretch over time if you're wearing it nice and tight. Nice Rotary official strap, 18mm if you wanted to know the width of that, if you ever wanted to change it. And a nice simple holder for that strap to go in. So let's undo this and have a look at the actual face in a bit more detail. So, watch weighs 130 grams and retails just around £115 with a full quartz movement going on. As you can see, we've got a day date dial going on down at 3 PM and a nice sort of, I want to say like a reflective sun ray style dial here. As you can see the hand, like the rays of sun essentially coming out from the middle of the hands, stretching out to all of the Roman numeral increments. Speaking of those Roman numerals, they're just jet black and they are 4D imprinted, I believe they are. So they're, rather than just being printed on, they are, I think they're 3D, 4D printed on. With a nice simple dash system go around the inside as well. Inside the actual face of the watch is just a plain mirror effect inside there. Overall, it's a very, very nice, stylish, classic watch. Got a synthetic sapphire glass as well. Let's have a look at the dial and how that moves. So we've got a very, very strong movement to the crown there. As usually Rotary is a watch that offers really good quality regardless of the price. This obviously is £110, so you should expect some level of quality here. A nice strong movement to the crown. Let's have a look at that date dial. Hands do line up with the increments as well, which is nice. I think, actually no it doesn't, tell a lie. Let's have a look at that day date dial. A nice strong movement. It's a strong crown. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's got a decent movement to it. There's no screw down effect to that crown whatsoever. Just pushes in and out. You also notice that this strap is held in like an extra leg system, similar to other London design, or not design, London classic watches like this. It's held in like an extra pair of legs here to hold that strap in. So on the back plate, it's a 125 years celebratory watch, so you can see that back plate going on there. Water resistant to 50 meters as well. Full printing, stainless steel, all your markings on the back as expected. So there you go guys, that is the Rotary Windsor day date.